Borderless, decentralized, uncensorable. These are the key benefits that many users buy into when they opt to use cryptocurrencies. But there's a key criterion that most are missing: privacy. Think of blockchains as like a Twitter for your bank statement. Every transaction you make is published, viewable by anyone who knows where to look. A simple payment for a daily cup of coffee can reveal more than just the fact that you like coffee. It can be used to gain insights into your spending habits, or how many coins you own or earn. Even more alarmingly, you may inadvertently receive coins that have been tainted by illegal activities, something that happens every day with cash. That may see you having to deal with questioning or even investigations that can lead to your assets being frozen or seized. All due to cryptocurrency's innate traceability. You're innocent, so why be treated as though you aren't? Both these scenarios aren't an issue with physical cash. However, large amounts of cash are impractical to handle and difficult to transfer. To truly live up to the promise of digital currency, cryptocurrencies need to process the same privacy qualities as physical cash, while also embracing the ease and convenience of decentralized digital transfers. Zcoin aims to reap all the benefits of being a decentralized digital currency while retaining the privacy qualities of physical cash. Enter Sigma technology. Zcoin Sigma is a zero-knowledge proof protocol which enables you to destroy coins and then have them appear in another location. Think of it as a cryptocurrency teleportation. These new coins appear with no previous transaction history, and they don't retain any private or identifying information. Unlike other privacy methods that only hide your transactions within a sea of others, the Sigma approach is not vulnerable to so-called taint analysis. What's more, Zcoin also uses Dandelion++ technology to make the way your transactions travel over the network highly unpredictable, preventing your IP address from being tied to a transaction. For even more network-level privacy, you can route your transactions through Tor with a click of a button. In a world where our money and our financial data is increasingly not our own, but instead used, surveyed, and monetized without our consent, there is an increasing need for digital cash that is truly uncensorable, private, and free. Zcoin, because your money is your business.